If you are new to Nuno felting, you may be wondering when you should start the throwing process. It's very important not to do this until the tips of your wool fibre have migrated through whatever fabric you are working with. In this case, I'm Nuno felting a silk square that belonged to my grandmother. And if you look where the tip of my finger is, you can see little pieces of fibre sitting on the surface of the fabric. This is now ready to throw very gently against my bubble wrap. And I always like to do this, making sure that the wool fibre is on the inside of my piece and that I have the silk on the outside. I roll it into a ball and I throw it very gently. Here is the finished result after I have thrown this piece to shrink the wool and create the beautiful nunofelt texture that most people are used to. When I was laying out my fibre, I didn't go right up to the edge, the rolled edge of the scarf. So you can see a lovely little wrinkle there at that section. If you'd like to try this for yourself, I will add a link to my full step-by-step Nuno felting tutorial in the description of this video.